I just fired my best employee and replaced him with two AI agents. He was a fictional employee, but the math is still the same. Today, I want to talk about the moment I realized hiring more humans wasn't the answer for my agency and what I did instead. Most agencies, most service businesses, most small operations think the path forward is more headcount, more hands, more closers, more account managers. The conventional wisdom for 50 years has been that you scale by hiring. I want to make the case that for many small businesses today, that conventional wisdom is wrong, expensive, and slow. I'm Craig Frazier. I run Apex AI. We help small businesses across 13 verticals deploy AI to handle the work that used to require human bodies. Phone calls, lead response, follow-up sequences, review collection, content production. The category most relevant to today's video is the work that small business owners themselves are doing because they can't afford to hire someone or can't find the right person to hire even if they could. 6 months ago, I had a fictional version of an employee in my head. I called him Mike. Mike was the salesperson I would hire if I was ready to scale. Mike would take discovery calls, qualify leads, walk prospects through walkthroughs, close deals. Mike would cost me $80,000 to $120,000 per year, fully loaded, plus commission, plus benefits. Mike would take 90 days to fully ramp. Mike would have good months and bad months. Mike would have a personal life and a learning curve and an opinion about how the company should be run. Then I sat down and audited what Mike would actually do. Roughly 30% of his time would go to the first contact, the discovery call, another 20% to follow up, another 25% to walk through demos. The remaining 25% split between deal admin, internal coordination, and Slack time. For each chunk of his work, there was already an AI option that could do it as well or better. The first contact happens through my AI receptionist. Follow-up is handled by my nurture sequence agent. Discovery qualification happens through the demo experience. Walkthrough demos benefit from a human actually closing the deal, but only the close part needs a human, not the entire 90-minute walkthrough. I added it up. The Mike I was about to hire could be replaced by AI for about 95% of his job. The remaining 5%, strategic relationship building during closing, could stay with me, the founder. The math told me to skip the hire. Build the AI infrastructure instead. Stay lean. Reinvest the $100K in better tools, better content, better positioning. That's the decision I made, and it's been the right one. I've grown faster with higher margins, less overhead, less drama, less HR overhead, less coordination tax. I'm not anti-hiring. I just realized the moment I was about to hire, I wasn't actually about to hire. I was about to commit $100K per year to a problem that AI could solve for $300 per month. Now, the pushback. Some operators say AI can't replace human relationships in sales. They're partially right. AI does not close enterprise deals. AI does not handle complex emotional situations during a final negotiation. But for SMB sales motion, where the deal is built around math and a clear value prop, AI handles 95% of the journey, and the human handles only the close. Other operators say they like having team members. They say the energy of a team matters. I respect that. But there's a difference between hiring people you genuinely want to work with for cultural reasons and hiring people because you think you have to in order to scale. The first is a luxury good. The second is a tax. If you're about to hire someone before you commit, do this exercise. Map out the role into chunks of work. For each chunk, ask whether AI can handle it today. If 80% of the role can be replaced, build the AI infrastructure first. Hire only when human judgment is what's actually needed. If you found this useful, drop a comment with the role you're about to hire and what you think the AI breakdown would look like. I'll personally walk through the math with you. Subscribe for more contrarian operator takes. Link to atss.pro in the description for the services my company delivers in place of human hires. See you next week.